Have you been struggling with hair loss and searching for a solution? Minoxidil, a topical treatment, has emerged as a powerful ally in the battle against thinning hair. Initially developed as a medication for high blood pressure, its hair growth promoting effects quickly captured attention, opening new avenues for those seeking fuller locks. Minoxidil works by stimulating hair follicles, increasing blood flow to the scalp, and promoting anagen, growth, phase of hair. When applied regularly, it can revitalize dormant hair follicles, transforming fine, sparse hair into thicker, more voluminous strands. Users often notice results within a few months, with continued use leading to more significant improvements over time. Imagine watching your hair begin to thicken and fill in areas that once felt hopeless, fueling your confidence like never before. Applying minoxidil is straightforward. Begin with a clean, dry scalp, ensuring there's no residue that could hinder absorption. Apply the prescribed amount, generally 1 milliliter, directly to the thinning areas of your scalp. Gently massage it in, feeling the cool liquid absorb into your skin. The dedication to a twice-daily routine might initially seem daunting, but embracing this small habit can lead to profoundly positive changes. While minoxidil offers a ray of hope for many, it's essential to set realistic expectations. Not everyone will achieve the same results, and some may experience temporary shedding before noticing new growth. Moreover, consistency is crucial. Interruptions in treatment can reverse gains. By remaining committed and patient, you'll be harnessing the restorative power of minoxidil that countless users have come to rely on. As success unfolds, it's vital to adopt a holistic approach to hair care. Complement your minoxidil regimen with a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals that support hair health. Consider products made from natural ingredients that help moisturize and protect your hair. Beyond topical treatments, stress management and adequate sleep play critical roles in maintaining healthy growth and thinning hair prevention. In conclusion, minoxidil proves to be a scientifically backed option for those determined to reclaim their hair. While the journey may have its ups and downs, the prospect of once again stroking thick, full hair can spark a renewed sense of self and joy. Ready to take the plunge? Your hair's revival could be just a few drops away.